Let's do one more radio demo. So this is the radio. Now I'm using only this small antenna. This is the 9-volt battery. I'm going to switch it on.
Here, Goldman Sachs is projecting oil to go up to $100 a barrel. Call 800
The station is a good reception, even only with the small antenna.
of your investment and create
This is the circuit.
of potential monthly income. Call 800-287-6691.
This is the speaker.
Directly to the home office of Encore Energy.
The battery, as we saw, just a 9-volt battery. A variable capacitor for tuning the station.
Factors, taxes, and investment performance. At Key City Capital, we improve investment performance by diversifying capital into off-market investment opportunities.
For completeness, there is also a small inductor here in series with a variable capacitor.
Not necessarily pay in the form of income taxes, creating a lifetime annuity of savings. We are a sponsor of passive, affordable single and multifamily residential rental investments, which are located in Sunbelt landlord-friendly states. These investments are the top choices in a rising interest rate and inflationary environment. They represent a store of value, protecting your capital from market volatility. Learn how we at Key City Capital can help you ultimately grow your wealth rapidly. Connect with me at keycitycapital.com or give me a call at 817-912-1569.
Our Church of the Week, Peninsula Bible Church of Palo Alto with Pastor Scott Grant, one of the several ministers sharing in the pulpit ministry. Peninsula Bible is a church proclaiming the power of the gospel in every circumstance, with the utmost desire to give God the glory, to train up new disciples, and to minister to the whole church with faithfulness. Pastor Scott Grant and Peninsula Bible Church of Palo Alto are Church of the Week.
Your local radio stations are here for you. No subscriptions or monthly fees.
This is, of course, AM radio.
Traffic you need and the music you love. But if the foreign-owned record labels get their way, it could stop the music. They want Congress to force radio stations to pay them more money, simply to play their music. Don't let radio go silent. Text local to 52886 and tell Congress to protect local radio stations. This message furnished by the National Association of Broadcasters. And now, back to Lifeline.
DVR, the time is 6:37 on the Monday edition of Lifeline. My, how time flies when we are having fun. Let's go to line number 1 and talk with Jermaine from Alameda. Jermaine, are you there? Oh, okay. Jermaine, take off. All right.
These are the blue ones are the resistors. The small black things. They don't look impressive, but actually the smaller black thingies are the transistors. This one is a capacitor. The orangey thingies, beige thingies are also capacitors.
Exercise your senses.
The one with the kind of black to red, here is a diode.